In this video, I will show you how to recover permanently deleted files on Google Drive. Here you can see that there are files in the trash bin. And we will permanently delete them to show the process of recovering your permanently deleted files. Follow these steps to recover your permanently deleted files. First is go to the support button and click it. It is the question mark between the settings button and ready for offline button. After clicking it, different options will appear. Click help. After clicking help, a window will pop out. Scroll and click delete and recover files in Google Drive. After you click it, scroll to the bottom part and click contact us button. You will be redirected to a new window that you need to sign into your Google account. Just simply sign in again to recover your files. After you have signed in again, scroll to the bottom part, input your first name, your last name and click the small box that you are consenting Google to attempt to recover your permanently deleted files. And click submit. After that you will receive an email in your Gmail. Open the confirmation email, Drive no reply. After opening and reading what is stated in the email, you will just wait for about 20 to 30 minutes for another email in your inbox from Google. After some time, open the email Google Drive help. When you receive that email, your files are already back on your Google Drive. But make sure that the files you are recovering are only recent deleted files, probably for about 1 week. Thank you, and I hope you have learned and also recovered your permanently deleted files.